Hey guys! What up, Linz?
Hey.
Hey girl, hey! You know.
Unger sent me his paper.
What the hell? What the hell?
What?
Let's see what shit Lindsay has on her table today. Glasses, candles, pop, skizzers. She'll know.
8.2 and sugar loop.
What? Can I light this candle?
Voila. See. Here you go. Alright, watch her light the candle. Hey. Hey girl, hey. Hey girl, hey. I have to pee.
Do it, I dare you. Mmm. Smells great.
I think it smells like... Why does it smell like crap?
Well, why don't you ask them, huh? Okay.
Here.
What is she doing, huh, guys?
Okay. It can smell good.
Oh my god, the candle's on fire! Again. We need to relight. Hold on, look. Shit. Okay. Let's relight this. Hey, girl. Is it gonna like inflame in my fingers?
Yeah.
My turn, my turn. Get it.